Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Exploring creative kitchen cabinet design and color ideas is essential for achieving a modern and visually appealing kitchen. The cabinet design and color schemes can significantly impact the overall ambience of the space. Opting for innovative design ideas such as open shelving, glass front-end cabinets, or unique hardware choices can provide a fresh and contemporary look. Likewise, selecting the light color palette is crucial. Neutral colors like white, gray, and black remain popular choice for a sleek and minimalist aesthetics. Contrasting colors or bold accents can be used to create a focal point and add a pop of functionality and personality. Integrating these ideas into your kitchen cabinet designs can elevate the entire kitchen's look and functionality. With the right balance of creativity and modern design principles, your kitchen can become a stylish and functional hub for culinary adventures and social gatherings. So, whether you're remodeling or starting from scratch, considering these creative kitchen cabinet design and color ideas is a must for achieving a modern kitchen that suits your taste and lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.